Hello friends and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out these pumice stones. Apparently these are pretty decent for cleaning. They're a non-toxic abrasive. So this box comes with 20 of these pumice stones in here. Pumice is like a natural stone. I think it's like from like volcanic stuff. I'm not exactly sure, but this can be used as people use it for like an exfoliant on the skin for like heels and stuff. If you have like a buildup of skin on your heels, you can use this to rub it away, and like calluses and things like that. But also it's good for lime buildup and stuff on like different things. So for toilets and things like that, you can remove stuff. And also for like stainless steel pans, which I have one right now. There's my cat in the background. It's so curious. But we're gonna go, I have one, we cook some tea in one pan, and it tends to stick on the bottom there, a stainless steel pan. So I'm going to go ahead and use this to clean it off. But yeah, you use it in different areas like on tile and things like that. It is a pretty good abrasive, and it'll take stuff off. Not necessarily used on like glass cooktops. It can scratch that. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how this works on my stainless steel pot there. Okay, so this, well, you make a lot of tea, and sometimes this gets spilled on there. And this stuff can get kind of hard to get off of there if it's scraped on. But you can use the pumice stone to remove it. This thing is quite abrasive. And if you have like tea stuck on there, if we didn't have this soak overnight, this was kind of difficult to actually remove. See, this will get rounded too on the edges, and then you just rinse it out. Take off most of your stuff off of there quite easily, and then whatever left you have on the smaller stuff, you can just take off the little scouring pad. But super handy to have. Don't want to use this on glass, like I said before, but stainless steel and things like that will work just fine. Okay, friends, thanks for watching. Have a great day.